Something very strange was obviously going on in the West End. It was not a new population explosion, but a sale at Sotheby's of vintage baby carriages. Something of a departure for the auctioneers, who think nothing of selling a few Picassos for $500,000 or so. There was plenty of interest in the collection. If you ever wondered why elderly folk are a bit crotchety, look at the things they rode in as babies. A four-wheeler of 1820. A bit the worse for wear as to trimmings, otherwise in perfect running order. Mrs Dibben seemed interested in several of the lots. A three-wheeler of 1850. A pram made in 1895. It was now time for the sale. All the articles were bought by Mr George Howard of Castle Howard, Yorkshire, for £195. He has a museum, so that's where this collection will be shown.